my lovely ones, assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show latest collection. So first design is very beautiful. This design it's only 2 and this price is 17,000 plus. Very attractive this design. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is very simple but very gorgeous. This collection only 1 Anna. Wow, so lovely this design, and this price is only 8,000 plus. Very cute this design. It's just for your kids. It's just for your every person gift purpose. Next design is very beautiful this design. Only 1 Anna, and this price is only 8,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Very lovely this design. If you want, if you give purpose for any person. Next design is very beautiful, and if you want, you gift for your child. If you want, a gift for your wife. If you want, a gift for your any person. Very beautiful this design. Very cute this design. Only 2 Anna, and this price is only 16,000 plus. Next design is very beautiful this design. 22 carat 906 simple earring. Wow, so lovely this design. Only 3 Anna, and this price is only 25,000 plus. If one, please screenshot this design. Very trendy, very attractive this design. This design is only 2 Anna, and then this design is very beautiful this design. Only 10 Anna. Only 10 Anna. Very beautiful earring. If one, please screenshot. Very trendy and very cute and very beautiful this design. If one, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. This design is very beautiful this design. Only 1 Anna. This price is only 8,000 plus. 22 carat hallmark earring. Next design is very attractive this design. Only 1 Anna. 5 roti. Very cute this design. This design is very beautiful. Only 22 carat. 21,000 taka. Very beautiful this design. If one, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is very beautiful this design. 22 carat top earring. Only 500 taka. Very beautiful this design. If you want, a gift for your mother. Very attractive, very cute and very gorgeous this collection. Next design is very beautiful but very cute and very beautiful this design. Only 18,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute and very gorgeous this collection. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is very earring, cute this design. Upper earring. Only 3 gram. If you want, please screenshot this design. Very beautiful this design. This design is only 2 Anna. Cute earring design, and 21 carat hallmark earring. If you want, please screenshot, and this price is only 17,000 plus. Very attractive this day. Thanks for watching.